So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here this one question to answer on the topic metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will be about the element tin. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this will be very helpful even as you prepare for your JAMB examination. So guys, let's start with the first question here. It says a metal that can be extracted from cassiterite is A, tin, B, copper, C, calcium, D, magnesium. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A, and that's tin. Actually, cassiterite is a tin oxide, that's SnO2. So tin is extracted from this ore, that's cassiterite. And that's the answer to this question, guys. The answer here is option A, and that's the tin. So guys, that's it for this question. The metal that can be extracted from cassiterite is tin. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, don't forget to also share this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more people around. And we want to also use this medium to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by clicking on the join button below so that you can gain access to our premium information on JAMB updates. So guys, this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your JAMB examination. And guys, that will be all for this video. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.